My name is Mrs. Asha Gupta. By profession, I am a computer operator. I want to ask the question with Mr. Imran that being a non-Muslim since childhood, I am very well versed with Muslims. I live in the area of the Muslims. I studied in minority school. I am working with the Muslim professionals, and my friends are 99% Muslims. But I like the I like the community of Muslims, but I don't think so. The Muslims can compete with the manners of the Hindus. I'm really very sorry to degrade the manners of the Muslims, but I didn't find any Muslim. The 90% of the Muslims which I had seen, not only in Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Warangal, and the people which I'm facing, which I'm talking to them, they are very good in manners. And let me complete my question. They are not very well versed with their manners. They don't take bath daily. They won't keeping their houses clean. They just think that they just say that I'm praying my God 5 times. Maybe the community is very good. The a person is a very good. He's praying 5 times to God. That's very greatness, I think so. But I don't think they are. But I don't think their manners is good.
Sister, your question, please. You are altogether giving a lecture, which already Brother Imran have given. So please be precise with your question. What is your exact question?
Okay, I want to ask the Muslims. They are not following the manners, comparing to Quran, or it may be comparing to modern theory. Do you think so? It is right? And I want a small answer to one question also. The Muslim girls, many members, they are wearing hijabs. You can say burqas, but we are also not wearing burqas. But I don't think we are not productive without wearing burqa. You are saying that many people in out of countries, they are raped by the people without wearing the burqa. But I don't think in India, nobody, Hindus or Muslims, are raping by this simple reason.
Sister has asked a question. And before the question, she narrated about herself. She said she has got a lot of non-Muslim friends, Muslim friends, and she herself is a non-Muslim. And she complimented the Muslim community saying it's a good community, and she is happy with the Muslim community. But yet she had found that the Muslims are lacking in manners. And the main part was she has found that certain sisters who wear hijab, even after wearing hijab, they are not good, and without a hijab, she is good. So, how do I justify this? Sister, I already said, without the hijab, you can be good. But what about the other person who is looking at you? He can't be good without that. Allah said, you also be good, and the other person should be good. Therefore, you should wear hijab. I hope I answered that question, sister.